Good day, everyone! Today, in the middle of the summer, I had the wonderful idea to go for some aquarium plant hunting. So I returned back home with some gems that I would like to share with you. I am going to unbox them and later we are going to plant them in this tank right behind me, which is going to be my next shrimp heaven. I haven't decided yet, but one of these beauties will go to the outside pond to keep company to our goldfish. The rest of them will go to the shrimp tank. So this is the result for now. It's a bit cloudy because I stirred up all the soil, but it will soon clear up. I'm not sure if I will make any arrangements or maybe tidying up the plant roots once again, but enjoy! For now, the aquarium terrarium combo looks like this.